Hi traders. Welcome to Digital Age FX channel. In today's video, we will teach you how to identify a trend line and help you understand market movement. Trend lines are probably the most common form of technical analysis in Forex trading. They are probably one of the most underutilized ones as well. If drawn correctly, they can be as accurate as any other method. Unfortunately, most Forex traders don't draw them correctly or try to make the line fit the market instead of the other way around. In their most basic form, an uptrend line is drawn along the bottom of easily identifiable support areas, valleys. This is known as an ascending trend line. In a downtrend, the trend line is drawn along the top of easily identifiable resistance areas, peaks. This is known as a descending trend line. There are three types of trends. 1. Uptrend, higher lows. 2. Downtrend, lower highs. 3. Sideways trend, ranging. It takes at least 2 tops or bottoms to draw a valid trend line, but it takes 3 to confirm a trend line. The steeper the trend line you draw, the less reliable it is going to be and the more likely it will break. Like horizontal support and resistance levels, trend lines become stronger the more times they are tested. And most importantly, do not ever draw trend lines by forcing them to fit the market. If they do not fit right, then that trend line isn't a valid one. If we take this trend line theory one step further and draw a parallel line at the same angle of the uptrend or downtrend, we will have created a channel. No, we're not talking about ESPN, National Geographic Channel, or Cartoon Network. These channels aren't television channels, they're trend channels, sometimes also called price channels. Still, this doesn't mean that you should walk away like it's a commercial break. Channels can be just as exciting to watch as Tiger King or Keeping Up with the Kardashians. Trend channels are just another tool in technical analysis that can be used to determine good places to buy or sell. The upper trend line marks resistance and the lower trend line marks support. So both the tops and bottoms of channels represent potential areas of support or resistance. Trend channels with a negative slope, down, are considered bearish, and those with a positive slope, up, are considered bullish. 2. Create an ascending channel. Simply draw a parallel line at the same angle as an uptrend line and then move that line to a position where it touches the most recent peak. This should be done at the same time you create the trend line. To create a descending channel, simply draw a parallel line at the same angle as the downtrend line and then move that line to a position where it touches the most recent valley. This should be done at the same time you create the trend line. When prices hit the lower trend line, this may be used as a buying area. When prices hit the upper trend line, this may be used as a selling area. There are 3 types of channels. 1. Ascending channel, higher highs and higher lows. 2. Descending channel, lower highs and lower lows. 3. Horizontal channel, ranging. Some traders prefer to use the terms rising channel for an ascending channel and falling channel for a descending channel. Most likely, millennials. When constructing a trend channel, both trend lines must be parallel to each other. Generally, the bottom of the trend channel is considered a buy zone while the top of the trend channel is considered a sell zone. Like in drawing trend lines, do not ever force the price to the channels that you draw. A channel boundary that is sloping at one angle while the corresponding channel boundary is sloping at a different angle is not correct and could lead to bad trades. When this happens, this chart pattern is no longer a trend channel but a triangle, which you will learn about more later. That said, trend channels don't have to be completely parallel. Nor does 100% of price action have to fit within the channel. A common mistake many traders make is that they only look for textbook price patterns. They miss important information about price action and close their eyes to other important clues. Notice the channel drawings below. Do they look perfect? Waiting for picture-perfect textbook examples won't help you in the real world because it's going to be pretty rare to see price action that fits perfectly within 2 perfectly parallel trend lines. It's like trying to find the perfect man or woman in the real world. Once you find that person, don't let go. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe to our channel for more content and updates.